Are you worried about AI taking your job? You should be, but not in the way you think. The age of AI isn't about being replaced. It's about being redefined. If you don't adapt, you risk being left behind in one of the biggest economic shifts of our lifetime. This isn't just about the future. It's about your career survival right now. So, stick around, because in the next 5 minutes, we're going to break down exactly what you need to do to not just survive, but thrive in the age of a fore. We've heard about the AI hype cycle. It felt like something out of a sci-fi movie, a distant future we didn't have to worry about yet. Well, that future is here. Think about it. In manufacturing, robots and AI algorithms are already handling complex assembly lines with a precision humans can't match. In customer service, chatbots are resolving thousands of queries simultaneously, 24/7. This isn't a forecast anymore. It's today's reality. The automation awakening is happening, and it's happening fast. Look around your own office, or even your home office. How many of you are already using tools like ChatGPT to draft emails or brainstorm ideas? Or maybe you've seen those incredible images generated by Midjourney and thought, wow, a machine did that. These aren't just cool new apps. They are the front line of a professional revolution. From writing code to designing marketing campaigns, AI is no longer just a novelty. It's becoming an indispensable assistant, a co-pilot integrated into our daily work. The line between human work and machine work is blurring every single day. So, this brings us to the big, slightly scary question. Is your job next? Before you panic, let's rephrase that. How will your job change? Repetitive, predictable tasks are definitely on the chopping block. Data entry, basic analysis, content, aggregation teas are prime candidates for automation. But this isn't the end of the story. It's the beginning of a new chapter. The seismic shift we're witnessing isn't just about eliminating jobs. It's about creating new ones and elevating the roles that remain. The real question is, are you prepared for that? The key to not just surviving, but prospering, is to lean into what makes us uniquely human. Creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. An AI can analyze 1 million data points in a second, but it can't lead a team with empathy. It can generate a report, but it can't use strategic foresight to chart a company's future. It can't build genuine relationships with clients. These are the skills that are becoming more valuable than ever. Focus on becoming a master problem solver, a creative strategist, and an effective communicator. Think of AI as your tool, not your replacement. Your job is to be the expert pilot, not the person manually checking the engine. So, where are the opportunities? Which industries are set for explosive growth? Keep your eyes on sectors where AI is a force multiplier. Fields like personalized healthcare, sustainable energy management, and advanced cybersecurity are booming because they leverage AI to solve massive, complex problems. Roles like AI prompt engineer, AI ethics officer, and automation specialist didn't even exist a few years ago. And now they are some of the most in-demand jobs on the market. The smart move is to pivot towards these growth areas. Start learning about data science, machine learning principles, or how to effectively integrate AI tools into your current field. You don't need to become a coder overnight, but you do need to become AI. The bottom line is this. The future of work isn't a dystopian landscape of human obsolescence. It's a landscape of opportunity for those who are willing to learn, adapt, and evolve. Don't fear automation. Leverage it. Start today. Take an online course. Read articles. Play with AI tools. Understand their strengths and weaknesses. The most valuable professional in the next decade will be the one who can seamlessly blend human ingenuity with artificial intelligence. The time to prepare is now. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful and want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you do unmiss our next video. We'd love to have you as part of our community. See you in the next one!